Hi everyone, I'm Tai. On today's episode of Techuncode Tech Review, I'm going to be reviewing the new addition to the Note 12 family, which is the Note 12 VIP. Not any regular phone, no, the VIP one. Join me as I unbox this wonderful phone. And now unbox with me. We have the phone, we'll get back to this later. What else do we have here? Take the lead. We have the phone case cover, which is a bit transparent. And inside we have the stickers you can actually put on your phone case. It has the VIP sticker, the Note 12, 120Hz. This is a very nice, sleek phone case cover. It's transparent and it has patterns inside. And of course, we have the SIM card pin. We have the adapter for the charger. Wow! I don't need to go to the gym. We have the cable. There's a Type-C one. You can see, could be much longer. And we have the headphones jack. Quite sleek, if you ask me. Quite nice. Now, let's go to the main deal, the phone. Whew! Smells good. Whew! Oh my days! This is VIP. Whew! Guys, no jokes. This might be the best Infinix I've seen. This phone is stylish and it is durable. Infinix combined its tough elements while maintaining a creative form to create the perfect design for the Note 12 VIP. By pairing strong materials that are thin and light, the smartphone creates a perfect blend of strength and style that is ideal for any scenario. What makes this smartphone especially unique is that it is made of fine fibrous glass that is tightly connected to form a material that is hard as steel. Yeah, you heard that right, hard as steel. And then fused with the resin to form a layer that is also thin. It has the MediaTek Helio G96 chipset. I'm sure people are just wondering, oh God, what was all this when you're saying? Speak the language you understand. Let me break it down to you. The MediaTek Helio G96 chipset enhances the Note 12 VIP display and visual upgrades, and it also enhances its gaming capabilities. Like I mentioned, the Note 12 VIP is the first to apply ultra-thin glass fiber to the smartphone device. You know, with the AMOLED 120Hz display, it's so fast, quick to respond, 6.7 FHD display, delivers optimal responsiveness, trust me guys, and experience the brightest of colors with 100%, like I mentioned, DCI IP3 color gamut, 10-bit color depth with over 1 billion colors with a flexible AMOLED display screen. Now let's move on to the camera. I know a lot of my people cannot wait, my slay mamas, slay uncles, they cannot wait to see what the camera is saying and the features of this amazing phone. It has 108 megapixel cinematic triple camera. I have to repeat that. 108 megapixel cinematic triple camera. That means you can capture every moment in time with the 108 megapixel cinematic triple camera, day and night. The cinematic lens specs include 12,000 x 9,000 ultra-high resolution, 1.67 image sensor, 9-in-1 super pixel and 1.92 on pixel size. Incredible. It has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The 16 megapixel front selfie camera creates a crisp and clean image, as you can see. So the unique selling point of this phone is the hyper secure fast charging technology. The Note 12 VIP integrates crucial protection features and durable materials that make the smartphone just as safe as it is fast. Did you hear that? Just as safe as it is fast. The smartphone is 120Hz supersonic charging speed can take the 4500 milliamp battery from 0% to full battery power in 17 minutes, guys. It also integrates many key features that helps maintain the longevity that benefits users who are constantly traveling and multitasking. For my gamers, you can continue playing on your phone for almost 6 hours without charging. That is incredible. You can also accelerate the Note 12 VIP charging speed even further simply by going to the smartphone setting and selecting the Power Marathon Hypercharge mode. The Note 12 VIP's charging speeds are always 120 watts, regardless of whether the Hypercharge mode option is turned off or on. However, when the option is turned on, the smartphone will be fully charged in 17 minutes, and when the option is off, it will fully charge in 26 minutes or more. 17, 26, there's no difference, everything is still fast. For you people that don't always have light in your area, this is the phone you need. This phone, the Note 12 VIP, also has a dual charge pump and a dual cell battery. I know a lot of people are like, what's all that one? Thankfully, the Note 12 VIP is equipped with dual power charging efficiency with a dual charge pump and dual cell battery that is designed to increase the charging speed. Together, these features adjust the voltage and amperage to an optimal ratio. All in all, I promise you this phone is a unique phone, and I really advise anyone who is looking for a low budget but high-end phone to go for this. This is going for 199k at the market, 199,000 naira only. Like, I had to call them to confirm if this is real or they're just playing pranks on me. This phone is so cheap, and I really think it's worth it. It's worth every penny you spend on it. For my selfie-taking queens, this is the phone for you. For my gaming brothers and gaming sisters, I think you're going to love this phone. It is really sleek, it is beautiful, the design is amazing, and it is really light. And the fact that it charges in less than 17 minutes, trust me, that is a game changer. From all of us here at Techuncode, we'll rate this phone 8.5 out of 10. Thank you very much for subscribing with us, and I hope again to see you next week. This is your boy Ty, Techuncode, simplifying African technology.